Dear students, today we are going to solve some more interesting problems on height and distances. So here we have a problem that a tree stands vertically on the slant height of the hill from the point A on the ground 35 meters down the hill from the base of the tree. The angle of elevation of the top of the tree is given 60 degrees. If the angle of elevation of the foot up from capital A is given 15 degrees, now we have to find the height of the tree. We have to find what we have to find height of the tree. So this situation is going to explain clearly by this diagram now. So AB bar is the base now. Now you have to observe BM bar is the hill. BM bar is the hill, whereas AM bar is its slant height. AM bar is its slant height of the hill BM bar. So here given in the problem that AM bar is equals to how much? 35 meters. He had given how much? 35 meters. AM bar is equals to how much? 35 meters. And at this point of 35 meters AM bar, we have a tree, that is what now? CM bar. C is the top of the tree and M is the foot of the tree. So CM bar is the tree. So here we are assuming that BM bar is equals to H meters and CM bar is equals to T meters. And what we have to find? We have to find the T value here, that is what now? Height of the tree, CM bar value. So in the problem here given elevation of angles from the point A to the top of the tree, from the point A to the foot of the tree. From the point A to the foot of the tree, the angle of elevation here given is what now? 15 degrees. To the top of the tree from the point A to the point C, the angle of elevation is how much here given? 60 degrees. Much here given? 60 degrees. Okay. Now, as we discussed, let CM bar is the tree of the length T meters and BM bar is the hill of the length H meters we have. And here we are having the angle of elevation to the foot of the tree. Angle of elevation to the foot of the tree means it is what angle? Angle of elevation to the foot of the tree means it is what angle? MAB. It is the foot of the tree. So elevation is how much? 15 degrees. Means it is what? MAB is equals to how much? 15 degrees. And one more thing, the angle of elevation to the top of the tree means it is what? Angle CAB. Angle CAB. The total elevation of angle is how much here given? 60 degrees. So angle CAB is equals to how much? 60 degrees now. Okay. Now we are going to observe this triangle. What is that? A right angle triangle ABM or AMB. Right angle triangle we are going to observe now. Here we are having the elevation of angle is how much? 15 degrees. So in this right angle triangle AMB, we are going to find cos elevation of angle and sine elevation of angle here. So now cos elevation of angle means it is what? A cos 15 degrees is equals to adjacent side AB bar by hypotenuse AM bar. So AM bar length we have what is that? 35 meters. Means it is what? Cos 15 degrees is equals to cos 15 degrees is equals to how much? AB bar by 35 meters. AB bar by how much? 35 meters we have. So from this cos 15 degrees is equals to AB bar by 35 meters. We are going to find AB bar value. What is that? AB bar is equals to 35 into cos 15 degrees. So AB bar we got, what is that now? 35 into cos 15 degrees. So from the same triangle AMB, we are finding sine elevation of angle 15 degrees. So what is sine elevation of angle 15 degrees? So sine 15 degrees is equals to sine 15 degrees is equals to opposite side BM bar by hypotenuse AM bar. AM bar is what now? 35 meters. So it is what now? BM bar is what now? H. BM bar is what now? H. So sine 15 degrees is equals to H by 35 meters. So from this sine 15 degrees is equals to H by 35 degrees, we are getting H is equals to 35 into sine 15 degrees. So from this equation we are getting AB bar value. From this equation we are getting H value. AB bar is equals to what we got? 35 into cos 15 degrees. H is equals to what we got? 35 into sine 15 degrees. Now we are observing one more triangle here. What is that? ABC, the total triangle. It is also a right angle triangle. We are observing it now. So here the elevation of angle is how much? 60 degrees. For this elevation of angle we are finding tan 60 degrees we are going to find. So what is the tan 60 degrees is equals to, for this the triangle ABC, tan 60 degrees is equals to opposite side BC bar by AB bar adjacent side. So BC bar means it is what? H plus T. BC bar length is what now? H plus T. So AB bar we would get here, and we have the AB bar value also here. So let us check. So tan 16 degrees is equals to T plus H by AB bar. So we are having the AB bar value and we are having the H value. These two values are going to substitute in this equation. So that what you would get? So first of all, T plus H, so AB bar comes this side, it would multiply the tan 60 degrees, means what you would get? A T plus H is equals to AB bar means it is what? 35 into cos 15 degrees. So AB, in place of AB bar we have written 35 into cos 15 degrees into tan 60 degrees. So T plus H value is this one. So moreover, what we require, we have to find T value, height of the tree. So for that we are bringing this H to right hand side, it would get a negative symbol, and in place of H we are going to substitute 35 into sine 15 degrees. So the equation must be T is equals to 35 into cos 15 degrees into tan 60 degrees minus H. Minus H means it is what? Minus 35 into sine 15 degrees. So now here we are going to substitute two values, cos 15 degrees value and sine 15 degrees value. Cos 15 degrees is equals to what now? Root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Sine 15 degrees value is what now? Root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. So these values are substituting in this equation, that what we would get? T is equals to 35 into root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 into tan 60 degrees is equals to what now? Root 3 minus 35 into sine 15 degrees is what now? Root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Okay, so this equation we got now. So from these two terms, what is the common term we have here? 35 by 2 root 2. 35 by 2 root 2 is the term is common in the both the terms. So we are getting, we are taking common of 35 by 2 root 2 here. Remains what? We are multiplicating directly here. Observe keenly. Root 3 into root 3 means it is what? 3 we would get. Root 3 into 1 means what it is? Plus root 3 we would get. So whenever 35 by 2 root 2 gets common over here, remains what? Minus of root 3 minus 1 we would get here. Minus of means it is what? Minus into root 3 is what now? Minus root 3. Minus of minus 1 is what now? Plus 1. So this equation must be what? Root 3 by 2 root 2 into 3 plus root 3 minus root 3 plus 1. So here in the bracket root plus root 3 minus root 3 will get cancelled. Remains what? 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 means it is what? 4 we would get. What we would get? 4 we would get. While this 4 is cancelled by this 2 root 2. What is the remaining term in the numerator? Only root 2 will be there. So t value means what? A height of the tree is what now? 35 into 2 root 2 meters. We got now. One more problem, that the upper 3 by 4th partition of a vertical pole subtends an angle tan inverse 3 by 5 at a point in the horizontal plane, though its foot and at a distance 40 meters from the foot. Given that the vertical pole is at a height less than 100 from the ground, find its height. So this is the question. Now we have to explain by this diagram about the situation. First of all, AC bar is the pole. AC bar is what now? Pole. So we have to find the height of this pole, means it is what? AC bar. I am assuming it is of h length. The height of the pole we are assuming it as what now? H length. And the horizontal plane is what now? AB bar is of the length 40 meters. Here it had given in the problem. 40 meters length AB bar is equals to 40 meters. So here AC bar is the pole divided into two partitions, that are CD bar and AD bar. CD bar is the 3 by 4th length of the pole, and AD bar is the 1 by 4th. Remaining length means it is what? 1 by 4th of the length of the pole. So CD, whenever AC bar is h length, CD bar must be 3h by 4 and AD bar must be h by 4 length. And one more thing he had given in the problem, that the elevation of angle from the point B to the upper 3 by 4th part, means it is what? A CD bar is tan inverse of 3 by 5 here given in the problem. That what we are calling it as what? Alpha. Alpha is equals to tan inverse of 3 by 5. The remaining angle we are assuming it as what? A beta. The remaining angle we are assuming it as what? A beta. So now, as we discussed, let AC bar be the height of the pole h, AB bar is equals to 40, AD bar is equals to h by 4, CD bar is equals to 3h by 4, and given that alpha is equals to tan inverse 3 by 5, that implies whenever tan inverse comes this side, so it will become what? Tan alpha is equals to 3 by 5. And now we are taking the triangle ABD now. It is a right angle triangle, and here the angle of elevation is what now? Beta. So here I am applying the tan angle of elevation, means it is what? I am going to find a tan beta value. So tan beta means it is what? Opposite side AD bar by adjacent side AB bar. AD bar value is what now? H by 4. AB bar value is what now? 40. So here I am applying the tan beta. So we would get what? Tan beta is equals to h by 4 by 40. That means h by 160. So tan beta is equals to h by 160 is got from the triangle ABD, right angle triangle. So up to here we successfully find the values of tan alpha is equals to 3 by 5 and tan beta h by 160. So now we are taking the triangle, right angle triangle ABC we are taking. So here the elevation of angle must be what, sum of these two angles, means it is what, alpha plus beta. So here the elevation of angle is what now, alpha plus beta. So I am applying the tan elevation of angle, means what, a tan of alpha plus beta. So I can get the values of tan of alpha plus beta is equals to opposite side AC bar by adjacent side AB bar. AC bar is of the length h and AB bar is of the length 40. So when I am applying the tan elevation of angle to the right angle triangle ABC, you would get the equation that tan of alpha plus beta is equals to h by 40. Tan of alpha plus beta is equals to what now? H by 40. So now I am applying the tan of alpha plus beta formula. What is the tan of alpha plus beta formula? Tan alpha plus tan beta by 1 minus tan alpha into tan beta. So I am substituting this formula here so that I could get the equation that tan alpha plus tan beta by 1 minus tan alpha tan beta is equals to h by 40. So we have the values for tan alpha and tan beta. So now I am going to substitute these values in this equation. I could get what, in place of tan alpha I am substituting 3 by 5. In place of tan beta I am substituting h by 160, so that I could get this equation that 3 by 5 plus h by 160 total is divided by 1 minus 3 by 5 into h by 160 is equals to h by 40 I could get. And now in the numerator, now we are going to observe this LHS part. In the numerator, in the denominator we could get the LCM 800. Okay, when I am taking the 800 LCM in the numerator, what I would get the equation 800 is the LCM, so that remains what, 480 plus 5h divided by 800. Total is divided by 800 minus 3h divided by 800 is equals to h by 40. These two 800s gets cancelled and remains what, 480 plus 5h by 800 minus 3h is equals to h by 40. By cross multiplication we would get 40 into 480 plus 5h is equals to 800h minus 3h square we would get, so by simplification 40 into 480 is what, 19,200. 40 into 5h is what, 200h is equals to 800h minus 3h square. 800 minus 800h minus 3h square we would get. So by the simplification we will get a quadratic equation in h that 3h square minus 600h plus 19,200 is equals to 0. By taking common of 3 we could simplify the quadratic equation is that h square minus 200h plus 6,400 is equals to 0. So since it is a quadratic equation, we will apply the factorization method, and the two factors are, means what, a minus 200h can be written as minus 40h minus 160h. By simplifying, by following the factorization method, we would have the h values, h is equals to 40 or h is equals to 160, but clearly mentioned in the problem that h must be less than 100, so that the height of the pole must be 40. Height of the pole must be 40. Next problem, AB bar is a vertical pole with B at the ground level and A at the top. A man finds that the angle of elevation of the point A from the certain point C on the ground is 60 degrees. He moves away from the pole along BC bar to a point D such that CD bar is equals to 7 meters from D. The angle of elevation of the point A is 45 degrees. Find the height of the pole. So let us discuss it with this diagram. AB bar is the pole now. It is of the length h. I am assuming it. We have to find this h length. Okay. Now a man goes from B to C and he had make an angle of elevation to the top of the pole A is 60 degrees he had given in the problem. And from C point he moves 7 meters away to D point, and here also he had made an elevation of angle to the top A is 45 degrees that he had given in the problem. Now as we discussed, AB bar is the height of the pole. We are assuming it as h. Given that CD bar is equals to h 7 meters, CD bar is equals to 7 meters, and angle from the C point means what? Angle ACB is equals to how much? 60 degrees. Angle from the point D means it is what? Angle ADB is equals to 45 degrees here given in the problem. Both the angles, elevation of angles given in the problem. Okay. Now we have to observe the two triangles. First one is what? Triangle ABC. We are observing this triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. We are observing it. From this triangle, the elevation of angle is how much? 60 degrees. I am going to find the elevation of tan elevation. I am going to find. So tan 60 degrees I am going to get now. So tan 60 degrees is equals to what now? Opposite side AB bar means what? H by divided by adjacent side BC bar. We have to assume it as x meters. So BC bar we are going to assume it as how many meters? X meters. So tan 60 degrees is equals to how much we get? H by x we would get. So tan 60 degrees is equals to what we got now? H by x. Means by simplification, tan 60 degrees is equals to what now? Root 3. Tan 60 degrees is equals to what now? Root 3. So as that h is equals to, we would get root 3 x as an equation number 1. Okay. Now we are moving to observe the triangle ABD triangle. The angle of elevation is how much now? 45 degrees. Here also I am finding the tan elevation. So tan 45 degrees is equals to AB bar by BD bar. AB bar is equals to h and BD bar is equals to 7 plus x. How much? 7 plus x. BD bar means it is what? 7 plus x. So tan 45 is equals to h by 7 plus x. Tan, as we know, tan 45 is equals to 1 is equals to h by 7 plus x. So h is equals to what now? 7 plus x. In place of x we are going to substitute h by root 3. As you observe the equation number 1, in place of x we can write what now? Root 3 comes this side, will become what? H by root 3. So x is equals to what we would get? X is equals to what we would get? H by root 3. This is equation number 1. So I am substituting in place of x which value? H by root 3. So that this is the equation number 2. So from the equation number 2 we get h is equals to 7 plus h by root 3. So 7 plus h by root 3 you have to bring it into LHS side. So it would get a negative symbol. So although you could get common of h over there. So what is the remaining term? After taking the common of h you would get a 1 minus 1 by root 3 is equals to 7 now. So by taking simply LCM, what here root 3 is the LCM, so that in the numerator what is the term remains root 3 minus 1, and this denominator root 3 comes this side, it will multiply this 7, so it will become what 7 root 3. So what is the equation we would get now? What is the equation we would get now? H into root 3 minus 1 is equals to 7 into root 3. So that H is equals to what I would get 7 by root 3, sorry 7 into root 3 by root 3 minus 1 I could get. By rationalizing it, as you all know the rationalization method, by rationalizing we would get what H is equals to 7 into root 3 plus 3 by 2. You have to simplify it, and H is equals to what we get the answer. So root 3 is the common term in this bracket. If the root 3 is comes out, so it will become what H is equals to 7 root 3 by 2. In the bracket remains what root 3 plus 1. So therefore the height of the pole we got now 7 root 3 by 2 into root 3 plus 1.